Tired of washing a mountain of dishes after dinner? What if I told you that this one-pan garlic butter chicken is the only thing you need for a perfect meal? Juicy chicken, crispy veggies, and zero stress. Hey friends, welcome back to your channel name, where we make easy, delicious meals for busy lives. Today we're whipping up a quick and flavorful garlic butter chicken with veggies, all in one pan. It's fast, full of flavor, and perfect for weeknights. 2 chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup bell peppers, sliced salt and pepper to taste. Optional, lemon juice, fresh parsley. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. Once melted, add your chicken pieces. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until golden and cooked through. Then remove the chicken and set aside. In the same pan, toss in the remaining butter and minced garlic. Let that sizzle for a few seconds. Don't let it burn. Add in your veggies. I'm using broccoli and bell peppers, but feel free to use whatever's in your fridge. Sauté for 4 to 5 minutes until they're tender but still have that nice crunch. Now bring back the chicken to the pan, toss everything together, and let it cook for 1 more minute to blend all that buttery, garlicky goodness. Squeeze a little lemon juice, sprinkle parsley, and boom, dinner is ready. And there you have it. An easy one-pan garlic butter chicken that's loaded with flavor and leaves you with barely any dishes. If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick meals every week, and drop a comment below telling me what veggies you'd add to this dish. Recipe is in the description. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.